Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Yogi the Bass Man from Indiana and Kentucky Outdoors. Wanted to show you guys how to make a one of those cube baits that they have out on, that's kind of new out there, but they're so expensive that I decided I'm going to try to make my own. So I wanted to show you guys how I do it. What I'll do is I'll take one of my little old baits like this. You can see with the ribs in it and everything. You can see the nose of it. I like to use the nose. So what I'll do is I'll cut that nose off and I'll have it just like that. Okay. Now what you do is you got to get you a needle. Here's the needle. You can get one of these needles probably just about anywhere. If you go to Walmart or something, you can see it's a good sized needle, but you need that. And I'll show you why. And what you do is, and what the way I do it is I will take and I will shove the needle through. If you can see, shove that needle through, and I'll get it almost all the way through there like that. Okay, and I'll take a strand of a skirt, and you can put any amount of skirts as you want. Okay, sorry about that. I had to take a little break. But what you do is you shove the needle through there like that, and then you take your strand and you run it through the eyelet of the needle, just like that. You can see I've run it through there just a little bit. Then just take it and shove it till it gets in there and grabs hold like that, and just pull it real slow until one end comes through, and you'll know it, you'll feel it, and you'll see it. Just like that. Okay, then you can grab hold of it, you can pull it through, and even it out. It's kind of tedious, but sometimes they'll break and you just got to do it again. It's no big deal. You can put as many little tentacles on it that you want, but as you can see, it's starting to take shape. What I'll do is I'll usually run 4. You can run as many as you want, but I'll run 4 through one side, and then I'll go to this side and I'll run 4 through there. But you, like I said, you can run them just about anywhere you want. But once you get enough that you like through there, and this is what you get, see? And then you can put that on a jig head, you can wacky worm it, Nico rig it, whatever you want to do. Me, I like the jig head. But anyway, I thought I'd show you guys how easy that is. All you need is a needle, basically. And you can make it like that, or you can even make a cube bait, such as that. Anyway, want to get on here and show you guys how to make them yourself, where you don't have to spend a ton of money and wait forever to get them. Okay, guys, listen, thanks for subscribing, and I appreciate all of you guys out there. Thanks again for watching. See ya.